dude. A bunch, yes. People mocked me when I was saying that before, but now I think people are coming around.
Holy
shit. The way
shit.
I look at it, I say, if this kid was not a YouTuber, if he wasn't some
Holy
guy
fuck,
that
dude.
What the fuck? Oh, piss off.
That was random.
On the couch, slaps down, bitch. I'm so nigga by the side. Rapping you listen, I got you paying attention to my business as a pride.
Uncle said, nigga, you must be sick. All you talk about is just get rich. Choke my lip, nigga, and ice my bitch. Beat the system with chains and whips.
This is culturally inappropriate.
What the fuck?
Right now, Tyler Rodriguez, as I was saying before, she's Aussie, she's great, she's modern with that traditional flavour.
What have you done?
Buddy. Yeah, get him, get him, get him, get him, fucking get him.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Jack, I didn't know him at that time. Wow! You absolute idiot! What are you doing, stupid cow? Google Maps is 400 meters. Oh my god! Oh my god.
Jesus, man, these drivers.
What the fuck, man? God damn. Fucking asshole.
The fuck? God damn!
These days, there aren't any. Unbelievable. Wow.
Wow.
fucking shit.
安住紳一郎のポッドキャスト天国。お盆休みの U ターンラッシュがピークを迎えています。
What are you fucking serious? Like, what are you fucking doing? What the fuck is this person doing?
That was crazy. Are you kidding me?
Buddy, we live in Brampton. We have the worst fucking drivers in the world. I have not seen that. I have not seen that.
Where are you gonna go? You're heading.
Well, when she came in front, I'm like, okay, I'll let you in. Maybe she wants to go to the plaza, but no. She's in her world. We're just living in it, man.
$1,000 of his own money if...
Your question, if you choose to accept it.
You can beat him in a simple game of trivia.
Give it a try this morning after 8:30 on 98.1 CHFI.
Good morning. We both know driving in Toronto can be very...
Oh my god! Are you fucking kidding me?
One thing has got nothing to do with the other. Oh shit!
Featured a barrage of comments, seemingly from the same time period the hoaxer became active, sharing very valuable personal insights on Robert Palmer's relationship with Geraldine Edwards. An entire fictional narrative has seemingly been created by one.
Se le atravesó el de atrás también. Se le tocó frenar el de atrás.
That fucking Tesla.
No, that guy tried to merge on her.
Holy
shit.
Hindi mo na good. He just pumps out. He goes, oh shit. Oh no. Oh fuck. Alright, we'll go get him.
Oh my god.
Start en route to Costco Wholesale.
Look at that guy. That was a good one.
Harvey.
Fuck you.
Time's up.
During the war, then my farm burned down. Well, yeah, it went nowhere. The Polk team were able to find plenty of evidence that Ezekiel was very loyal.
Yeah.
I mean, he became a sheriff and everything. Yeah, of course, the Democrats tried to attack Clay because they don't know how to do it again, but it did very little. I mean, Clay was so well known, there's just nothing new.
No.
Everyone knew everything they needed to know about Clay, and they either supported him or didn't. So that didn't really go anywhere. So after a disappointing election, the result came along. This is 4 days for states to report their votes. Polk was at home, awaiting the news.